you guys and girls, it's Lisa Concepcion, love life transformation coach and founder of LoveQuest coaching, and today I am bringing you a video on Lisa's lowdown on love about a viewer question. The question is, Lisa, I have a thing. Here's my thing. Every time I go out with a guy on a date, they always try to come up to my apartment. They always want to continue the date. How do I make it so that they don't continue the date and it's awkward and awful and I feel all nervous and I hate it because they're walking me to my apartment and I'm like, no, you don't have to get out of the Uber, or no, I'm good here, I'll just go home by myself, and they just don't get the hint and they're trying to angle their way into my apartment. Help me please. Is this a vibe that I am putting out? If so, help me to shut it down. Don't necessarily want every guy to come up into my apartment. Help me, Lisa. Melanie in Chicago. So Melanie in Chicago, Mel, my girl. Yeah, you definitely have it right. You are putting out a vibe about, and it could be the fact that you don't want it. So the universe doesn't hear, I don't want a guy who wants to hook up with me. I don't want that. I don't want that. Please let me have somebody who is not about that. Anything not a negative, the universe is still going to bring it to you, because the universe responds to your primary vibration, where your attention is and what your focus is on. And if your focus is on guys coming over and hooking up with you too soon, that's what's going to manifest over and over and over again. So how do we fix this? How do we switch the vibration? How do we get it so that you go out with a guy and you just have a fun time and Miss Melanie can be like, good night, great time, so nice to meet you, gotta go. So how does this work? Okay, so when we're doing this from an energetic standpoint, we want to, number one, be focused on what it is you want. So I'm gonna do a little mind mapping for you, if you will, and it's something like this. I am so excited to go out on dates. I have such a fun time meeting new people. I meet great people everywhere I go. And I am so looking forward to meeting a real true gentleman, somebody who is kind to me and goes at a nice pace and understands that I am here just to get to know you and things happen at their time. And this man is interested in getting to know me, and sure, he's attracted to me and I'm attracted to him, but we're very open and communicative about the pace of the relationship. And it just feels right. It feels so comfortable and just joyous and fun, and I love to see him, and it's wonderful. Do you see how that is, right? No discussion about nervousness about him hooking up and trying to hook up and trying to come into my apartment and all this stuff. You want to dismantle that. You want to make that easy. You want to put that on the shelf. See? Shelf. Put that on the shelf. You want to focus on what's wanted. Sounds to me, Miss Melanie in Chicago, that you want a true gentleman. And I've been to Chicago. There are tons of very good, wholesome, good guys out there, that middle American values kind of thing, that exists. And so whatever you're doing, focusing too much on, every guy wants to hook up with me, I'm so nervous, every time a date ends, I don't know what to do, I don't know how to end it, I don't know what to do. That nervousness, that is existing in your vibration, and it's only bringing you more of the same. More dudes that you go out with, date is amazing, and then it's that awkward evening, end to the evening. So also, a quick tip about ending the evening. You want to set the boundary from the beginning. So you want to put it out there that you have something to do in the morning, you have work, the weekends will be your fun time. You can be very playful about that. And if the date is going well, you can say, so this is fun, I'm having fun with you, you're awesome. And what's gonna be really fun is like when we get to hang out on the weekends, because for me, the weekdays are like super heavy, hardcore with work. I have to wake up super early and do all this stuff in the morning, and I like to work out. But like in the weekends, oh my God, like we're gonna have so much fun. I'm so excited. So like, what do you have going on this weekend? And then you launch into the discussion of the weekend, so that very early on, because guys do pay attention to this, that they already know, like, oh, she's a worker bee during the week. She's very focused. She's got her things that she does. But then on the weekends, she can hang out. And that's not to say that you can't see him during the week. It's just, it's going to be an early night. It's going to be more of a grab a bite to eat and call it a night by 10 p.m. None of this sleeping over, none of this coming back to my apartment. And you're going to establish that very early on. This is all part of a dating strategy. I do a program called Dating with Purpose and Power to help ladies like you, and guys too, to have a very clear strategy for dating so that no awkward moments happen. You're flowing, you know exactly what you want, how to position yourself effectively, and you can attract the person that you truly want. I am Lisa the Love Coach. You can find me at Lisa the Love Coach on Instagram if that's your jam. Otherwise, you can also comment below, and if you're catching me on YouTube, subscribe to the channel, hit the like, hit the bell so that you know when this party is starting, and I look forward to seeing you again soon. Catch me at LoveQuestCoaching.com. Bye.